Finished. 5 colors. Green, yellow, orange. It's dark pink or indigo. Okay, red or blue. Then which color comes? Good. Understanding? How to do? Understanding? Good, very good, girls. Nice, huh? So now we are, which chapter we are doing? Shapes chapter only. This only we are doing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Nice, good. Red. And where is blue here? Blue has finished, na? Blue must be there. How it is like a design, na? Saree design.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Did you observe in your clothes? See, in my dress also, there is a pattern here. Pattern. One design there means again like this design, again same design, again this design, again this. One by one after other. Design is a pattern, like a pattern it is coming. Yes or no?
Yes.
Even anybody wore civil dress? One more, na? You see here also patterns. I have a pattern on my dress. One after other. Yes or no?
Yes.
Understood?